right on the water. It's Maine the way life should be. And you'd have 1.85 acre. There's brook trout in the pond and more. The cottage has a full basement and 1,336 square feet of living space. The ATV/snowmobile trail goes right by. Visit with guests as you make dinner. Read, snooze, visit or have a meal in this light-filled great room. A meal or coffee here would be an inspiring start to the day. Restful views. Both bedrooms have good-sized closets. This bedroom has direct access to the bathroom. The large window in this bedroom looks out to the driveway. There's a dug well and 2006 septic. What would you do here? Family room? Have exercise space? There's storage galore, in the basement and in the garage. Use that green thumb to expand upon what is already here. There's even ice fishing in winter. If you're seeking uplifting beauty, peace and quiet and a place to make memories for years to come, come take a look here.